During CES, we stopped by Capsix Robotics for their iYU massage robot. It was quite the experience to sit down on the con floor, laying on a table in my t-shirt and having a machine give me a massage while hundreds of strangers photographed and filmed me while doing so. It was not exactly relaxing, but still, in spite of all that, I was able to enjoy greatly this massage, which is kind of a simple palm-based shiatsu style. The major benefit I would say about this is that it's a great tool for offices, medical, veteran associations to basically provide these additional regular needed massages for long-term issues that can help kind of process that might not be affordable for someone to go to a regular masseuse. Keeping in mind though, this thing is not going to replace a masseuse. I've had an actual massage and I've had this, and a massage does so much more and can hit you in specific areas. You can work with the massage therapist through the massage to make sure you're getting the best of your experience. This model machine is pretty much going to run through the motions of what it thinks you need. I imagine down the line the actual chiropractor, doctor, or massage therapist might be able to adjust the device to get it more toned down to what you need, but for the most part, there's just a human element you can never take out of that situation that you're going to need for really solid, care and use. That being said, it was incredibly relaxing and it was a nice experience on the con floor at CES. They're going to start seeing this in some massage places and like I said, chiropractors, but again, I want to make very clear this is not designed to replace or remove massage therapists in the marketplace. Thank you guys so much for watching. Hopefully you get a kick out of this video, and we'll see you guys next time.